Best eSIM in Mexico. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best platform to buy an eSIM in Mexico, and I'll show you the way of how to get 10% off, 10% discount on this platform. So I've compared a lot of different platforms, Airalo, Nomad, at&t, ESim, and I decided that the best one according to coverage and also prices and plans is Maya Mobile. Let me explain. So firstly, the coverage. If you're going to discover the whole country, we can see that a lot of territories here covered with 5G data, which is insanely good. So main roads, main cities covered with 5G, and other territories covered with basically 3G, which is not that bad at all. So you won't be able to find this information, for example, on Airalo, on other platforms. So this is the best option to check. Is it like available in some regions? The next thing is their plans. So if you're going to discover Mexico plans on My Mobile, we can see that we have a lot of options. So firstly, we can choose the number of days we'd like to stay in Mexico, so from 5 to 30 days, and according to these parameters some prices may change. And let's say that if you're going to search for it on Airalo, you won't be able to change something. So you only have like 5 plans, and the biggest one is like 10 gigabytes for 30 days for $42. The same thing here is 45, but you can use link in the description and you'll have to pay 40.5. So you can save a little money basically, which is not that bad at all. So you can use link in the description, you'll come to this page, then just simply select the necessary plan. Let's say that they want to use for 10 days for 3 gigabytes. Let's click on activate now, and you'll come to this page where we need to scroll down, click on review and pay. After that, you'll have to create an account here. So with your email, it's not that really hard. And then you can add your credit or debit card, use PayPal or Google Pay, and then just buy the necessary plan. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.